We are here in the lower North Island in the South Wairarapa in a small town of Martinborough, which is a beautiful winery town. Client's brief was to stay within the era of the home, being that it was an old farmhouse renovation, to create a warm environment for her family. You can arrive through the mudroom, which then links through a concealed door into the kitchen. There's some pretty epic features framing the windows and the bush outside, and then a lovely large big window at the end of the living room too.
As part of the project, we were conscious that we wanted to have a sense of unity in the home. We found we were able to use Dekton in some quite unexpected areas. We had bench tops with integrated sinks and splashbacks, floor and wall tiling in the bathroom and ensuite. We were able to bring that into our cabinetry in an integrated way, but also a fireplace hearth was clad in Dekton as well.
Being that the kitchen is actually the place where we cook, we prepare food, having the option just to dump hot plates or pots and pans straight onto the bench is just a no-brainer. It's so easy to use as a family. Kids can draw on there, get marker on there. It's easy to clean off. It's robust, it's simple and beautiful.
I'm Helen Falvey and I'm the Design Sales Manager for Cosentino in the Lower North Island. Cosentino has invested in a renewable energy to reduce our carbon footprint. The sustainability is very important to Cosentino. It's a carbon neutral company and we recycle our own water and generate our power.
What I'm most proud of in this project is the collaboration. I think that having multiple designers on one project, that gives the client the best of ideas, and I think that you can see that in the detail of the kitchen. As a designer, I'm incredibly proud of that, but as a business owner, I'm beyond.